Boost your productivity, 10 effective student hacks. Hey there, fellow students and learners. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got something special for you. If you're looking to supercharge your productivity and make the most out of your study time, you're in the right place. I've compiled 10 incredibly effective student hacks that have personally helped me ace my exams and manage my tasks efficiently. So, without further ado, let's dive into these game-changing tips. Tip 1, the Pomodoro Technique. First up, we have the Pomodoro Technique. This is a time management method where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break. It keeps you focused and prevents burnout. Tip 2, distraction-free zone. Creating a distraction-free zone is crucial. Keep your study area clean and free from any distractions. Yes, that means your phone too. This helps maintain your focus and enhances productivity. Tip 3, active note-taking. Taking notes actively during lectures helps in better understanding and retention. Use colors, diagrams, and your own words to make your notes engaging and memorable. Tip 4, use online tools. Online tools like task managers and calendar apps are lifesavers. They help you stay organized, set deadlines, and prioritize tasks effectively. Tip 5, teach someone else. Teaching a concept to someone else is a fantastic way to solidify your understanding. Find a friend or family member to explain your subjects. It's a win-win. Tip 6, visualize success. Create a vision board with your goals and stick it where you study. Visualizing your success can boost your motivation and keep you determined. Tip 7, healthy study routine. Maintaining a healthy routine is essential. Stay hydrated, snack on brain-boosting foods, and get enough sleep. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Tip 8, utilize active recall instead of passive reading. Use active recall techniques like flashcards. Quiz yourself on important concepts. It's a proven way to enhance memory retention. Tip 9, break down big tasks. Big tasks can be overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Crossing off tasks from your to-do list provides a sense of accomplishment. Tip 10, stay curious and reward yourself. Lastly, stay curious. Don't limit your learning to the classroom. Explore topics that interest you. And remember to reward yourself after achieving your study goals. You deserve it. Conclusion. So there you have it, 10 powerful student hacks to skyrocket your productivity. Incorporate these strategies into your routine, and you'll notice a significant difference in how you approach your studies. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy studying!